Hi lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. How are you friends? Today is my collaboration and group play saving challenges, and I haven't uploaded last week, so today I will double it up, or instead of saving 100, I will save $200. So let's start. So for this saving around the world, so let me count the money first. Count with me. So 50, 40, 90, 110, 130, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. Okay. So for saving around the world 2025, 12 months of saving. Now we're in August and it's featuring Philippines or Pilipinas. So if you want to get this 12 months of saving challenges, I know it's already more than half of the year, but if you still want to do it, it's a freebie on Boop and Budget, Kopay Shop, and the rest of my co-collaborator Kopay Shop. So let's start. So now it's July and it's featuring Philippines. This one is I create this challenge. I will just put the challenges that are part of this collaboration. So this is a roll and save and it's featuring Philippines. So let's roll a dice here. And let me get my dice. Six-sided dice. Okay, let's roll it. How much I'm going to save here? So 4, 1, 1. So 6. Maybe make it half. Or make it 4 roll. So 1. So 7. We have here. So we have here 10. So I need some change here. Sorry, today is a noisy day. Well, my children are here and my husband as well. So it's like a family gathering to us, but it's just there's a typhoon. There's no work, no school. So we all gathered today, and my niece's birthday as well. So later on, we'll just go to my brother-in-law house to celebrate her birthday. So next one is a spring collab. Hold on. This is a collaboration between 8 channels. So Mamshi Queen, Cash and Color Budget, Lovely Budgets SK, Blessed Budget with Abigail, Keeping It Crispy, Boop and Budget, Hippies, Puppies and Kittens Budget, Sin on a Budget. So all the channels that I mentioned here, I'll put it on the description box. So if you want, you can go to their Kopay shop. There's a lot of previews on their Kopay shop. And as well as they're a great channel. You can learn something from their channel. So if you're just new to the unit Cast Tapping community, you can follow their channels or you can subscribe on their channels and watch their videos. It's all great videos. So this is a roll and save. Oh, sorry, pick and save collaboration. Let's see. There's a tiny card that part of this collaboration. So each of the rest of my co-collaborator featured it on their Kopay shop. If you want to grab this challenge or a freebie, you can go to each and every one of the Kopay shop. But Mel of Mom Queen is the brain of this collaboration. I just help her for some ideas, but she's the one who made this challenge. Okay, so let's shuffle this. The maximum amount of this is $6. So let's shuffle this one and just roll the dice. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I need 10-sided dice, but let's see. I lost my 10-sided dice, so what I'm going to do, I will use this 12-sided dice. So 3, 1, 2, 3, it's mine. Butterfly, how much I'm going to save? 5. Hey, so 5. Now they're noisy. They're teasing me. My children came here.
Hi, lovelies.
Say hi.
Hello.
So 5 and now 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's in on a budget. How much? Bonus roll the D6 dice and save the amount. D6. Okay, need to go back. D6. So 6. So save 6. I cannot save this one. This one is 5. This one is 6. Okay. 2, which is cash and color budget. So roll the D6 again and save the amount. So 2. Next, 10, which is not here. So I will choose, no, just roll it again. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is keeping it crispy. So 6. So how much now? Let's see. We got 2, 5, 6. Sorry. 5, 6, 11. This is 6. 17 plus 2. 19. Okay, let's save $19 here. I will go back if I still have money. Okay, this, I will not count this amount yet. I count it at the end when I completed the channel. Sorry about my voice because I'm under the weather. I just catch cold a few days ago and I'm still recovering. I hope I'll be better soon. Oh, this one I'm done. This also part of the same collaboration, but there's a 2 challenges, so this is done. And next one is, I think I'm done with this. It's a group play. Okay, so for group play, the first one is my group play. This is a roll and save. You can check my Copa shop if you want to get this group play. See, this is a 3 set. So let's roll the dice, 6-sided dice. Maybe I can put this one here now, from now on. 5. Let's roll 3 first. 6, 4. Okay, then 15. So let's get $15. So if I have 50, so 35. 35 for a change. And I give here 50. Is that correct? Yep. And let's put it back. This is in here. Next one is from no release budget. I'm so far behind with this one. I think I'll finish this May. Let's see how much. Let's calculate this. I think 5, 10, 15. Oh, yeah, 5, 10, hold on. 5, 10, 15, 20. So $10 each. 5, 5. Yeah, it's $10 each roll. 5, 5. Yep. So 10, 20, 30, $40. Let's finish this. $40, 10, 2, 5. And ring the bell. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. My bells. So now I'm in June. Let's see if I can go back and finish or complete this June saving challenge of no release budget. And this one, just put it on my tin can, heart tin cans that I put the sticker on that I collected from all of who sent me Happy Mail or and my friends who sent me stickers. Thank you. Okay. Next one is, oh, there's an IOU here from, this is challenge is from Miss and Les. I don't know if it's a group play, but I made it as a group play because I enjoy playing this one. So let's pay $8 here first. Is there any change? Yes. So no IOUs. Change here. And let's play. So we need two-sided dice here. Oh, sorry. We need two six-sided dice to play with this one. So basically, you have to avoid rolling 9. If you roll 9, you have to pay certain and you have to stop all the games because each games you have pip chance. So if you roll 9 here, so you cannot play the rest. So if I roll 2 to 8, save 5. If I roll 10 to 12, save 10. If I roll 9, I have to save 15. Okay. So let's roll. So 4. So 4 is $5. So 5. So 8, $5 also. 8, $5. Come on. 7. Do you heard them? They're noisy. My children are noisy. My husband is here. 15. Last two row. 7. Oh, sorry here. Oh, I get mistake there. Last one. 6. It's okay. I roll. So I didn't roll 9. So it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So let's save here $25. All right. It's getting more and more. I will not count this. I will count it later. When I finish it, only two row, and I'm done. Sorry for the noise, ladies. And this one is from Laura of Miss L. Thomas. This is the third part. First and second part, I already done it. And this time, hold on. So I already pre-searched it and it's very difficult for me because the letter is so small. But I use my eyeglasses and research it before I film this video. So I search 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And me is there, the pink one. Lovely Budgets HK. Channel that I saw in here is Ali Bear Budgets, Blessed Budget with Abigail, Breezy Budgets, Busy Bean Budgets, Don's Harris Budgeting, Hippie Puppies and Kitten Budgets, Lovely Budgets HK, Saving the Bacon, Tobin Budgets, Buttercup Budgets, Cash Stuffing Realtor, Charmer Budgets, Nature's Bucket List, and then Budgeting with Lisandra, Canadian Finance Journey, Divine Savings Co., Hopeful Budgeter, Mini Budgets, Odette Budgeting Life, Snow Gardener. Okay, so let's save her $20. And this one is from budgetyourlife.com, Iba of Budget Your Life. So this one, thank you, Marvel and Brittany, for encouraging me to do the play along for my life. I will roll D3 for 2 icons each Thursday. You can save that amount with me, or you can roll your own and save whatever amount you'd like. Okay. I just put roll. It's the two kind of group play, the July and August. So I just roll the dice here. Roll. So 3, 1, 5, 4. Let's roll one more 3. Okay, so 3, 10, $16. Let's put here $16 and let's change this. Four, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. Okay, 10. $16. So I get it through Eva's website. It's www.budgetyourlife.com. Okay. And this is from Miss Gracie of Grandma's Journey. So it's supposed to be with some scratch off sticker, but I just roll the dice and whatever I count it. So 2. So save 1. I will save. Okay. 3, 1, 2, 3, 6. 3, 1, 2, 3, 5. Let's do 4. Okay. So 3 again. 1, 2, 3. So 3. So 3, 6, 9, 10, $15. So let's say here $15. Okay, there's some more money in here. So what we're going to do is let's finish this June. If I can finish it. Okay, let's do it. So 5, 3, 4. Stop looking. Not yet. 3, 4, 5. 1 and 5. So my husband is disturbing me. She kept coming into the room because they know that I cannot film if I have someone in here. I'm not comfortable. So just to get teasing me. So let's count. 6, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now, I'm not focusing on, let's say, 8 plus 7 plus 9 plus 1 plus 5. So 26, isn't it? 6, 10, 15. No. 8 plus 7 plus 9 plus 6. Yeah, 30. 15 plus 15, yeah, 30. Okay, let's say 30 here. 1, 2, 3, 30. Okay. And I have 4 that are left. And let's just put it in here. So 4. So I don't have IOU. So the all completed saving challenge, I will reallocate it at the end of this month into my month ahead binder. So just wait for that, and I will let you know how when I'm going to do that. And thank you so much for being here, and thank you for bearing with me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next video. And on my next video, what I'm going to do, I will introduce to you my butterfly binder again. So instead of doing the mini saving challenge, I will do my butterfly binder, which I love the most. So just watch for that. That's it for now, lovelies. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Bye. Love ya. Bye.